Welcome, my people. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and also comment the best parts that you love and the actor and actresses that you love in this movie.
The Koleoso series part 8. It will be coming with more of veteran actors and more powerful people will be introduced. And I would love you to comment, subscribe, and also share this video so that it will help facilitating the part 8 series also. So we'll see more about Tozu and more of the also Wamde. That's the new boy now. He will be performing more in that part 8. So get set.
And of course, the story continue. If you are also enjoying it yourself thus far, please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe, and also comment where you are watching from.